This is Nokia C32, and today I will show how you can set up parental controls on this device. So first you will need to launch settings. Then enter the Google category, or actually before that I recommend that you go for the passwords and accounts category instead and remove any Google accounts you might have before starting the actual parental control setup. Then enter Google category, tap at the parental controls. Next, not personal safety, excuse me, parental controls. Then tap get started. For some reason my Wi-Fi was turned off, even though I had working Wi-Fi network at the start of the video. So let me quickly connect to an alternative network so I can proceed the setup. And yeah, as you could already figure it out yourself, the setup requires for your phone to have Wi-Fi network, so take care of that prior to initializing the parental controls setup. Anyway, so let's get back to the process. Try again, then child or teenager, next. Now log into your child's Google account, so I will quickly do that off the screen or off the camera. So once your child's Google account was successfully signed into, you will need to select it from the list over there, and my parental control setup shut itself down and restarted. That's normal. Unfortunately enough, it happened at the beginning stages of, well, the setup itself, so we didn't lose too much progress, so that's fine. I mean, this phone is a pretty petty one, very on a low end of performance, so you expect some lags and glitches to happen. That's the trade-off that you'll get for, well, buying a very cheap phone. Anyway, back to the setup. Select the child's account from the list over here, and then you gotta log into another Google account, this time parental one. So let me quickly do that off the camera as well. The next step is called the About Supervision. Here it is. So scroll its page all the way down and input the child's Google account password at its respective field. Then tap at the agree button. Onwards, allow at the pop-up window or dialog window that follows, and give it a few seconds to link the child and parental accounts together. Then all the remaining setup steps we can just skip and glide through them real quick, since they are not essential and not even necessary to begin with. So I'll just quickly finish the setup on the child's end, and we'll show how you can, well, go about the parental controls on your parental phone, the one that you'll use to supervise your child's activity. So speaking about which, take it and then download the Family Link app from the Google Play Store. Here it is. So let's quickly get it on our phone. Launch the app once it is ready. Make sure to log into a parental Google account over here. And then here is the list of controls you have an access to. You can monitor your child's location if you will set up respective permission at the child's end. And well, you can also see your child's device usage highlights. But as far as this video goes, that will be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.